beyond the clouds, beyond our sight. Yet in your love you still remain, to heal our hearts, to calm our pain. I am with you, do not fear. In the silence I am near, through the trials and the strife I will lead you into life. You call us now to spread your light, to share your truth, to stand in might. Though you ascend, your voice is clear. I am with you and always near.